I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands.
On the show today we have Fred, and Fred has a '78 Trans Am with a unique history.
When they're, I guess, Pontiac people really don't modify them as much. Thankfully the guy before me also raced it, so the original motor's long gone. My dad used to take me to runoffs at Road Atlanta back when they were here and all the Trans Am races. And always gone to historic races too, so I've always been into the old stuff. Trying to go for kind of an old school look. Most of those guys run Minolites or Panasports.
Daily racer and you want to be featured on our channel, make sure to let us know and me and the film crew will fly out and film with you.